Hello everyone. So welcome back again and the topic for the day is DMZ in a firewall. So DMZ is basically the demilitarized zone. Well, what is the demilitarized zone? It is a separate network segment that is placed in between the wide area network or and the local area network. So it is a separate entity or a network segment that is placed in between the wide area network and the local area network. What is the purpose of demilitarized zone? The purpose is to host the public facing servers like web server or mail server, okay, while protecting the internal network from the direct access. Because the public server like mail server or web server have high user traffic, and there are lots of chance that these server can be compromised or in attack. So if these servers are in attack, so the traffic will be diverted to the demilitarized zone. That traffic will not be enter inside our local area network. Let me show you how. Let us assume that we have a same network in which we have placed the public server or the local area network devices, our internal company devices. Now, what is the issue in that? If any of these server is compromised, any web server or mail server is compromised, the attacker can also attack the local area network devices or the company user. And what is the issue in that? The data can be exposed to the internet, can be exposed to the users. Because if the direct exposure of the devices will be there, it can be hacked or data can be leaked to the internet. Okay. If the web server is compromised, the attacker can gain the access of employee computers, internal databases, or company files that is stored inside our company devices. Right? So, what are the risks in that? If a public server is compromised inside the LAN, the attackers can move literally to the other devices. So these can be the possible target in that. So we prevent that with the help of demilitarized zone. So this is what a demilitarized zone does. It separate the public server with the with the internal devices of the company. Well, there are two types of architecture of the demilitarized zone. There, first is dual firewall architecture. Well, a dual firewall architecture having the two different firewall, and first firewall is in connectivity with the demilitarized zone. The public server is connected to the first firewall and the second firewall will be connected to the internal devices. Let us assume if this DMZ is compromised, we don't have any issue in our local area network, and also the local area network is getting the extra layer of security, dual security, because the data will be passed through firewall 1 then firewall 2. So firewall 1 protect the DMZ from the internet, firewall 2 protect the LAN from the DMZ. So firewall 2 is also protecting the local area network from the DMZ also. If the DMZ is compromised, this firewall will stop attacking to the internal devices. Will block the attack to the internal devices. Okay, so basically, what are the advantage of this dual firewall DMZ architecture? The advantage is it is highly secure. What? It is highly secure. It provide a separate network segmentation, separate network segmentation. Well, these kind of networks are used in banks, data centers, or in large enterprises. What are the disadvantage? First one is it is expensive, and second, it is complex. Okay. Now let's talk about the single firewall architecture of DMZ. Well, this is a single firewall architecture of DMZ in which we will not use the two firewall, but the different interfaces will be connected to the different zones. Well, this is our local area network connected to the one port of the firewall, and this is another interface that is connected to the DMZ. Well, what are the benefit of the benefit of the single firewall DMZ? It is cost effective, and also it is easy to manage via single firewall, and this kind of architecture are used in SMB labs or in small companies. The disadvantage is only that it is having the less security as compared to the dual one. But dear, this is most common. Single firewall DMZ is most common nowadays. In most of the companies, if you are working, you will find that company are using the single firewall DMZ architecture. Well, it is also highly secure because these are totally separated with the interfaces of the firewall. Okay. So, dear all, that is all about the DMZ. I hope you like the session. Please subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Have a nice day.